Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to auto swipe on Tinder. So just tap on my Tinder account and here you will see I will just right and left swipe, and you will see I will just tap on this hard icon, and if I want to cut it, so I will just tap on this X button. So how it's possible to auto swipe? So I will just Google it. How do I set up auto swipe? Starting the auto swiping process, open a spotted dating site, navigate to spotted dating sites such as Tinder, Bumble, Badoo, Lovo, and much more. So open the auto swiper extension, click on the auto swiper icon in your browser toolbar. Click on start in the extension interface. Click on the start button. So it can only happens on desktop. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.